Hi bazali bami zitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagajeni. I am uMagajeni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazali bami zitho, it's about Uthando Nesithembu season 8 uncut, guys. Yesterday it was the last episode of Uthando Nesithembu uncut. Ngicabanga kanjalo because it was the episode of Uma Khumalo, which is the last wife abamshutile bagcine ngayo on this season, guys. It was nothing much esingayi-expectanga. UMusamsile kube yaxolisa kuMa Khumalo ukuthi uthathe ngakubo. UMusamsile kube akaxolisela lokho and bakacela nje uMa Khumalo ukuthi ayexolisa ebantwini bakayeni ukuthi uthe umayeni delusional. She refused to do that. I do understand her. Yes, omunye umuntu ngathi vele kumele axolise, but I do understand her. Mhlawumbe ufile ngathi yes, umayeni has showed me many times ukuthi akangifuni, so why kumele ngoku mina ngixolisa kuye ekubeni izinto angenza zona akakwazi ukuzixolisela, which is understandable. So we understand, and I don't know ukuthi emshadweni kaMusamsele why kucontrol abantu basebukhweni bakhe. Last time it was abantu bakacele bazomtshela ukuthi makafuna ukuthatha omunye umfazi mina azocela kuba ahlawule kubo nini, bokuba bakaMakhumalo naye acabana noMangwabe just because bakaMakhumalo utransport abantwana bakaMusa. I don't know why now abantu bakayeni, so I don't know why ukuthi umuzi kaMusa uphinde ucontrol abantu basebukhweni bakhe. I don't know why, maybe kwenza kanjalo yimi nje ngingazi, but I understand ukuthi why. Ngibelieve ukuthi abantu bakayeni if abathandanga something ngoMakhumalo mhlambe bomele batshele umusa axolise, not ukuthi bathi umayeni mina azoxolisa uMakhumalo mina azoxolisa kayeni. uMakhumalo has no relationship nabantu bakayeni since umayeni naye angana relationship nabantu bakaMakhumalo, and umntanabo the time she didn't attend umshado kaMakhumalo. It showed everyone ukuthi akazelanga lapho kuzowakha, so why now bafuna ukuthi uMakhumalo abe a bigger person axolisele into ayishilo, which it was very wrong and very disrespectful because umayeni usister wife akufana ukuthi usisi wakhe. You cannot uthi usisi wakho uthi delusional because ukhuluma ipain yakhe and ukhuluma izinto enimenza zona off screen bese mase amakhamera rola nenze ngathi animenzi. You can't just say emuntwini delusional. That is disrespect. But yeah, abantu bakayeni they are wrong nabo ukuthi balethele inkinga phambili ngoba kudala umayeni akhuluma izinto bangamkhuzi. Dala umayeni yenza izinto ezi-wrong bangamkhuzi. Indaba ukuthi umayeni noma acele banga-attend umshado kaMakhumalo, it was wrong that time, it's still wrong up until today, and izoyenza igcubungeke liphinde lisuke kuMakhumalo. Bakhohliwe ukuthi bazele, bakhohliwe ukuthi bazele. Ngelilanga umuntu uzohamba emhlabeni umntana yakhe ashade, uMakhumalo ahale ko-representa lo mntwana, ahale ukuhlalela lo mntwana eze umama lo mntwana. Kothi uMakhumalo ukhohlakele makasathi mina nginayo umntwana izabe sokuthiwa ukhohlakele. But guys, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesigaca mina engisibonile nje esisindayo lapho. Uma babuMseleko asaxolisa lapho, babuMseleko uveze indaba yokuthi uMakhumalo we know ukuthi ukwatela ukuthi ubaMseleko uthatha unumber 5 ngakubo. Uthi yena akakwatelanga indaba number 5, ukwate ukuthi ubaMseleko uthatha unumber 5 ngakubo, and that promise iphuliwe to show ukuthi uMakhumalo naye unabo ubu-selfish, just that cause yena she's very supportive kuMseleko and unenhlonipho nje makakhuluma u-address izinto with respect, kubonakala ngathi yena right. uMangwabe, if you remember from icala indaba ka-number 5, they've been dragging indaba ka-number 5. uMangwabe bekathi isizathu sami sokuthi ngingafuni ubabuMseleko ukuthi athathe unumber 5 is because wayenza isithembiso kimi naphambi kamfundisi ukuthi asesenebandla uMseleko ukuthi ngiyoba umfazi wokugcina angeke asalamanisa, which is isithembiso. Ngithi uMakhumalo azange ayibone uMangwabe makalokhu athi kodwa uphula isithembiso sami, azange ame noMangwabe. Mangwabe lo kamngane wakhe bekambili athi makafuna ukuthatha unumber 5 kwenziwe njani. Shuthi ku-right according to uMakhumalo makuphula ithembiso zabanye abantu. Masophule sakhe isithembiso sokuthi athathe ngakubo sekayakhala sekayenza idrama sekathi uzakhile, and ngisambile uMakhumalo azakhanga uMakhumalo wakho babuMseleko ngoba afika kaMseleko kana 16. Yes, okay. Sekathi uMangwabe umayeni wayekhala ngokuthi ungamthathi unumber 5, and I think izathu zakamayeni zihlakanipha udlula zawo wonke umuntu, just because umayeni makakhuluma ukhuluma nge-anger, makakhuluma umayeni ukhuluma ngendelelo, kube ngathi vele into yakhe singayizwa. Umayeni umile ukuthi if uthatha unumber 5 uzosibisela emuva ngoba makufika aboMangwabe kufika aboMakhumalo azange kube nokuthula la ekhaya. Yinto bekambonisa yona, azange kube nokuthula. Mazofaka unumber 5 uzoyibisela ukuthi sibuyele emuva. Sesisebenze kakhulu ukuthi sibe la sikhona, sesisebenze kakhulu ukuthi sihambe siye kuma-family vacation sisonke siyifamily, siparticipate kuma-games sisonke siyifamily, kube nokuthula la ekhaya. So mangabe uzoletha omunye umuntu uzosibisela emuva, kumele sicale silwe, kumele umuntu yakhona sicale singambingeleli, kube ngathi silwa naloyo muntu lokanti silwa nawe, of which is something that is happening now. ngabe wamamela uMayeni ngabe abekho kule nkinga because ipoint lakaMayeni it was very understandable and bekuyipoint elinokuhlakanipha kakhulu just because you know ukuthi size sibe nokuthula la ekhaya kwenzakaleni rather ukuthi mangabe yena umsele kumele abumayeni mabapropose lento le because abantu abahalayo uMayeni noMangwabe ba number 5 kakhulu mokumele athi you are still young Mayeni back then ukhumbule mayisaqala lento ka number 5 umntana kaMayeni lo wayengakaqali nesikolo obanzi bomela amcela ukuthi ngicela unginike ingane ezi2 angithi mina ngithi inkinga yami la akusinkinga ukuthi ngifuna abafazi abaningi inkinga yami ukuthi ngifuna ingane eziwu20 and I have 10 now so kusho ukuthi wena ngicela unginike 2 noMangwabe azame ukugcina siyazi ukuthi uMangwabe kwalahlekela abantwana which is a painful thing to happen so amncenge ukuthi okay njengoba we all need to compromise. I'm not going to add number 5 ngicela unginike 2 at least noMangwabe anginike 2 ngizoba no14 yes angeke ngibe no20 ngizoba no14. You understand? Then they can also the mali ayithathile ayobhadala ngayo amalobola kibo Makhwela ile mali engabe ubhadalela ukuthi ubhadala iprocess ukuthi uMakhumalo abe nengane naye at least mhlambe ngabe sekane ingane ezi15 ngabe ucele lento leyo or mangabe amaye nabo kumele ba compromise bangafaka 1 uMangwabe mangafuna ufaka 2 bangafaka 2 uMangwabe was very young futhi at that time you understand so it was very selfish of him or akayicabanga ngalento ilokuthi ucabanga izinto usekwa abanye abantu I feel like umusa Mseleku lo muzi lo uyowathi maka wakho wakha noMakhumalo kakhulu yingakho nawo manje noMakhumalo mabajikelana kube ngathi uMakhumalo backstabbing umusa Mseleku akasabuhlala amagameni wakhe nomusa Mseleku backstabbing uMakhumalo uwakhe ama decision wakhe uwayenze noMakhumalo kakhulu so manje njengoba sebachelelana so baphuma ama secret uMayeni has been saying lo muzi wakaMakhumalo I1 and I remember there was this season uMayeni abuza uMakhumalo ukuthi uwe unkosikazi kaMusa uyi1 na asho athi uMakhumalo uyathanda ukuyenza ngathi unkosikazi kaMusa uyi1 uMusa then he felt like they are attacking uMakhumalo but abomayeni bebasho into abayibona and uMakhumalo bekusesemnandi kuye just because umuzi lo as much as amakhosikazi wayi4 bebawakha naye ayi1 yinto yamosha umuzi kaMusa ukuthi uwakha umuzi unamakhosikazi ayi4 uwakhe nonkosikazi oyi1 uyenza ama decision nonkosikazi oyi1 and obviously lo ama decision enizowayenza naloyo muntu wakho uzokuyena uzovuma ama decisions azojabulela uzobeka umbono ozojabulisa umphefumulo wakhe angafaki abanye abantu and in that process wena uzobona ngathi uyahlonipha ngoba into yenza ijabulisa yena laba abanye ayibajabulisa kumele balwe manje sekayalwa ngoba umuzi so wakho noMaqele ayi1 futhi umusa kakha noMaqele ayi1 umusa Mseleku uthi lapha uMakhumalo bekakhuluma nama girlfriend wakhe bekathi umusa Mseleku makathandayo nomuntu uMakhumalo akhulume naloyo muntu loyo kube nje abakhozi kube mnandi uMakhumalo used ukuthi ahlangane nalabo bantu labo azane nama girlfriend kaMusa angashadanga uMakhumalo bakakwenzelani lokho guys because bekazi uhlala noMangwabe etafuleni ahlale noMangwabe abomngane kaMangwabe bahleke bahlebe uMayeni but ubackstab uMangwabe because akamtshela uMangwabe ukuthi hayi sokhona intombi entshe efikile uMangwabe ahlabe prepared phela a plan exit plan yakhe no yena kusho ukuthi uhleka noMangwabe knowing ukuthi uMangwabe ufila kanjani no number 5 aphinde ahleke nalamantombazana bokumela ngene so ukuthi nje intombi zakaMusa zihlakaniphile intombi zaMusa mazinga expose uMakhumalo noMusa kuma Instagram nanani nkosi ngaba nomgosi weviki lonke angifuni nje ucamba manga singaba nomgosi wonyanga yonke because why would uMakhumalo akhulume nama girlfriend kaMusa ike yenziwa play ike yenziwa and uMayeni kwayilwela lento leyo ukuthi sorry guys uMasawula Masawula bekanokuhlanda uMakhumalo bathe sama girlfriend wayisho uMayeni not Mayeni Maqele that was wrong it was wrong of uSindi ukuthi ahlale nabantana nama girlfriend kaMusa angaba amakhosikazi semshadweni la so kusho ukuthi uvumela uMusa ukuthi uNumusa go ahead ukuthi hayi you can cheat ngendlela ofuna ngayo yebo ukuthi kwayena uMakhumalo bekabonakala ngathi usupport uMusa but ba support uMusa because bekavumelana nezinqumo uMusa azenza izwrong ezijabulisa yena ezijabulisa it was nice that time yena akufonela uMakhumalo ufonela ama girlfriend kaMusa ngaliphi bekafuna ukwatshengisa ukuthi you are welcome kulo muzi why Maqele afile ngathi they are not welcomed and Makhumalo akasuyi first wife guys akusuye mele aze afile ngathi ukaqala nje igirlfriend ingaka introduce kuwo wonke umuntu ukhulumelana nayo ukhulumelana naye kusho ukuthi nama-girlfriend kaMusa bawangajoli noMusa kuphela bawajola noMusa noMakhumalo. So now because nama-girlfriend lawo akasawathathanga uMusa sakathatheni lo ojabulisa uMacele. And I feel like uMacele she's doing this because she knows ukuthi uMakhumalo bakakhuluma nalo ama-girlfriend ingakho amukela lo uMacele enze ngamabomu because she knew ukuthi uma kuzothathwa lo izobreak uMakhumalo to a core. It's just that uMacele akathanda ukukhuluma kakhulu akakhuluma kakhulu nje kumadayari nani akavezi kakhulu indaba zakhe kodwa uMacele makangabuthi uzosho ukuthi no dala ngithi naye yabo njengoba seyiveziwe manje dala naye akhuluma nama-girlfriend and it's so sad now because they cannot address this thing ku-season 9 because season 9 sebeyishudile baqedile iyadlala nje in 2 weeks time obviously sebaqedile ushudu season 9 nonless izovela ku-Uthando Nesithembu season 9 uncut if bazoyenza but now they cannot address that thing just because ivela manje ukuthi okay uMakhumalo has been talking nama-girlfriend kaMusa manje sukuthathwa lo wangakubo sekayakhala but lesa sikhathi uMangwabe athi unama-5 akumelanga athathwe because of isithembiso wasenza kimi uMusa bokungathi uMangwabe udelusional bongathi uMangwabe uselfish bongathi uMangwabe ufunani esithembeni if I understand this thembu now sokuwuye ukuthatha umuntu wangakubo akasayisho yonke lento le uMayeni wayekhala ngokuthi umthatha kanjani umntana wayeshaya isigubhu la ekhaya sontana ekhaya simazi kumntana ogada womphumela utshola kanjani naloyo muntu loyo the time ukuthathwa yena uMayeni ihethu uMayeni hayi boku-right but uMakhumalo as much as simthanda kodwa naye unawo wakhe amaphutha and I feel like naka-actor njengosisi kaMusa Msele angithi uMacele umama yena uwusisi uyilabo sister abavumela abobhuti babo abashadile ukuthi balethe ama-girlfriend endlini knowing so well ukuthi kunomakoti endlini bekakhulumelani nama-girlfriend kaMusa Mseleku if yena azi ukuthi amakhosikazi afila kanjani ngo-number 5 and she knew ukuthi ukhuluma namakhosikazi kaMusa uMacele kwayesho ukuthi ku-wrong ukuthi unkosikazi ukhulume nama-girlfriend kaMusa bekakhulumelani nama-girlfriend kaMusa so if ngabe bathathe lo ofunwa wuye ngabe lento eyenziwa uMacele ngabe yenziwa wuye ku-the next girlfriend iyafana guys iyafana but bazala bami ngicela ningitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi kwenze njani ngoMakhwela njengoba sakhonza yena akasakwazi ukuxola yena she has been saying ukuthi uMayeni unamaqhubu uMayeni uneyitori ezenzeka engcondweni yakhe namhlanje yena akasakwazi ukuxola uMakhwela sekanonyaka lapha umntana Makhwela umdala guys sekanonyaka lapha namhlanje akakwazi ukuxola. But ke bazala bami, we are just waiting for season 9. Please do comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.